Alright, Minion Pig, let's watch Family Guy. Wow, I love Family Guy because of one of my favorite shows ever and appropriate stuff in the famous ugly upper ways. Yes, it's okay, let's watch this.
Where'd you get these?
Shh, got it. I'm thinking.
Oh my god!
Huh?
It killed Kitty! You bastard!
That might work.
Hey, how you like them? Here, I'll even get you started.
Dad, I don't smoke.
Sure, you don't now, but keep at it. You'll get the hang of it. By the end of that pack, you'll be smoking like a real pro. Like a cool kid. Yeah, that's it. Getting smoother, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait till you try it after a meal. Delicious. And after sex, forget about it. It's like putting your penis to sleep in a feather bed.
I think I may want more cigarettes.
Oh, I'll get you more cigarettes. But I'm pretty mad about my dirt bike.
Wow, that's a pretty great show. Yeah, but Peter Griffin's everywhere, as tough as he uses, and the famous thing is, and the coasters are cutting off his penis. Uh-oh, here comes Stella. Redbird, Minion Pig, did you watch Family Guy? Oh, a sentence you for watch Family Guy, and episodes are, yes, I did, Stella. Oh, Redbird Minion Pig, how dare you watch Family Guy on YouTube? You know that show is rated TV 14, and that's it. You're grounded for 60 weeks. Go to bed right now. Why?